Welcome to a new tutorial of Effect House. In this tutorial, we are going to learn how to change color of eye when user blinks. So let's get started. Let's start by creating assets for our project. So at first, we require Effect House eye color template for our project, and for that we have to go to Effect House homepage and simply type eye color in this search bar, and you will reach in this particular page. And I'll be putting this link in description as well. To go to eye color and download this iColor.zip file from this area, and once you download, unzip the file and open it with the file which you are familiar, but I'll recommend to use Photoshop as we'll be using Photoshop for this particular tutorial. So unzip it and open it in Photoshop. So once you unzip and open the file, you will be seeing this in Photoshop. So it is basically our template and we have to work on it. So for other images or eyeball, you can simply download it by typing cartoon eyeball png or any other eyeball png, and make sure the background is transparent, and you can simply download it or copy it. So I have modified a cartoon eye image and I have simply copy it and paste over it. After you paste it, make sure that the eyeball size and this template size matches, as it will be in same size here and in effect house filter. So make sure that it is in same size and it should cover it like this. So once you do it, next step is to simply either save it as png and use it as texture, or simply go to file and export it as artboard to files and give your destination according to your requirement and choose artboard content only. So the selected one will be chosen, and then include background and make sure the file type is png, and once you do it run, then it will simply save the asset, or you can simply use png for it as well. Once you save the asset file, simply add asset and import that file from your computer to this section. So now we'll be adding from face effect, we are going to add eye color. So choose eye color, then it will appear in this hierarchy option, and you can see that in the texture section, just you have to click here and add the asset that you have prepared from Photoshop and simply add that texture. And now the other thing we require is nodes, so we'll be working on nodes. Let's undock it first. And we'll be creating this new one. So let's delete all. First you need to add is, either you can add both left eye or right eye, but I am using only one eye. So click left eye close event. So once you create that, you can choose face according to your require. So you can use either any one, or it will work in different faces according to option you select, and create a variable and name it counter, and go to this section, and we need both variable set and get. So get and set. And as I have already covered it in previous, that get and set are the values which we use set for set new value, and get will get that particular value. So what we are trying to do with it is that we want to create a counter and providing our value. So add a head node and give one as the input, connect it to this. Now we'll add a mode node. So what it does is that it will give reminder value. And now let's add object as we have deleted. But if you haven't deleted, so you'll not require to add that. Now we'll add a variable. So it will be a color variable. So you need to do is simply add and change the type to color and container to array. So it will include arrays of color. So press the plus button and change it according to color you want. You can put color as you wish, and what you do is simply go to this section and get and set variable. Yeah, I'll choose this color array that I have created. So you can only take get variable as we'll be using it, or you can simply set if you want to change that to other color. Add the value from color array. So now we'll undock this. Now go to this color section, and as we are going to change the value of color, what we require is set color. Now we have array already here. So what we have to do is we need value from here, from this array. So add node and simply type get item from array. So once you edit, choose this color array and join it with this get item array. Then go to this more section, and before that you need to change this value from how much array you have added in that particular array colors. So we'll be adding 3 as we have added 4 colors, and it will start count from 0 1 2 3 4. So connect it and change the value here and connect execute from this update section. So now here we can see that our color of eyes is changing with respect to our eyes movement. So we have used only this left eye closed, and while blinking both eyes are blinked. So you can only use one, or either you can use a double and make it as you require. So that concludes our tutorial. And if you have any issue or problem related to this effect, you can drop comments and like and subscribe this channel. Thank you.